Side to side, side to side. Alright. Across the body now, across the body. Tap, across the body. Yes, Owen. Keep the skills working. Who that me a blow? And we not doing no running at all, I'm tired. Alright. Bend down and do it below your knee. Move the ball side to side, don't cheat. Come on, Sean, let me see you, let me see you. Quicker, yeah man, pick it up. Alright, body up, ball in one hand, body up, ball in the right hand, crucifix, right hand, crucifix.
Walking across that, moves at me.
Simon, is a circle that, that's not crucifix. Left hand. So Simon, for the entire year we say the crucifix, I want the crucifix here. Figure eight, figure eight, figure eight, figure eight.
Oh.
Look like Jordan. You're supposed to be gripping the ball. Grip the ball, yes. It's a push through and grip. It's supposed to be a grip. Yes, Roshan. Quicker now, pick up the speed, Roshan. Challenge yourself. Push yourself. Push man, quicker man, quicker. Alright, direction. Quicker. As you find it easier, you pick up the speed to challenge yourself, Stephen. Challenge yourself. Don't just get one pace. Quicker. Pick up the speed. Alright, up, around the body.
What's the last letter, dog? What is it?
Around the body.
Oh, what is that?